Welcome to our course of Adobe Lightroom Classic and the basics of it. Okay, so Adobe Lightroom, officially known as Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, is a piece of image organization and image manipulation software developed by Adobe Inc. As part of the Creative Cloud subscription family, it can be used on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and tvOS. Lightroom Classic is a desktop-based program for photos stored locally, such as your own external computer hard drive. Lightroom stores your files in the cloud or even your PC, allowing you to seamlessly transition and translate your workspace from laptop to tablet or from like your phone to TV to PC and all of those, and you can use it anywhere you want. And there are a couple of tools and like a vast amount of tools in Adobe Lightroom. But among them, you have to know that there are 7 main modules in Adobe Lightroom, and those have tools according to their category. Okay, so in this lesson, in this course, we are going to learn about the interface of Adobe Lightroom Classic. Sometimes people think that there are a lot of tools, and sometimes they get a feeling that it's complex, but it actually is not. Adobe Lightroom is very beginner friendly and also very flexible, and can be used very easily even when a new user fiddles through the tools in Adobe Lightroom. So in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you about the interface of Adobe Lightroom. Then about the modules of Adobe Lightroom Classic. Just as I told you, we are going to show you about the 7 main modules of Adobe Lightroom which it has to offer. Then I'm going to show you how the tools work in Adobe Lightroom and also about the usage of the tools practically, also how to edit photos by using Adobe Lightroom Classic, because that is the main purpose of using Adobe Lightroom, and exporting the photo for later purpose. Then at the end of this course, you will be able to use all of the tools of Adobe Lightroom Classic without facing any problem or hassle. Find the tools where they are located, because there are a lot of tools. If you know the category of the tool, you will be able to find it easily, and I'm going to show you all of the steps how you will be able to locate it and also use it. Make uses of the tools according to your desire. Let's say you want to like fix the shadow, fix the lighting, fix the color. I'm going to show you all of the tools and where you'll be able to find it, and also give you practical, examples too. Edit photos without any problem or error. Okay, sometimes obviously as this is a program, okay, you might face some couple of errors, but I'm going to show you all the tools in such a way so that you might not face any problem. And also if you face problems, how are you going to like face them and also fix them? I'm going to show you each and every step. Also make slideshows, photo book, and publish, because that is also a purpose of using Adobe Lightroom, because that is one of the main functionality of Lightroom about organizing your data and also your photos. And also how to edit photos in a professional manner and also in various purposes, even your career. Okay, so hope to see you in my lessons, and also I hope that if you don't understand a part, please let us know so that I can guide you through the process, as this is like a very beginner friendly lesson and also a course. Obviously I hope that you understand everything, and also thank you for staying with us.